Okay, so this was inspired by Chicago. It's multi-layered architecture, multi-street level architecture. So this is going to be an interesting subway at some point. Uh, what's important here is the first building, the first floor of the building, doesn't have the ground floor, doesn't have any loading docks or anything else like that. It has some service corridors and so on, but it doesn't have any loading docks. And there is a good reason for that. Let's take a look at this. So the shops, they have service tunnel right after them. The service tunnel has utility elevator here, and in general it walks around a good chunk of the building. It has a storage room, and it also has an elevator. So while this elevator goes to the second floor and so on, this elevator goes way down. When you go down, you can reach the level of the underground streets. So this is a tunnel, part of tunnel anyway. It has been designed in the spirit of the underground streets in Chicago. So a car that wants to get to this building, to bring something to the building, can just enter the tunnel, turn right to go to the supporting road, and then it can just offload here, and then the goods would be just sent here, and through the freight elevator will be brought to one of the beautiful shiny stores like this one. It's ground floor. And the rest of the stuff can be brought even higher by using one of the utility elevators like this one. The thinking here is that we also don't have garage entrance from the upper floor, or from the ground floor if you like. Instead, cars can enter the area through the same garage entrance. So cars can use parking, can enter parking here, and then users can either go to this level or they can go way up, or they can park the car even higher. And once the car has been parked, this is another area of the garage. They can use either the stairs here, or they can use one of these elevators, the elevator here, to go to the ground floor, which in this case would work like this. The key thing is that cars that want to enter the building, they enter it through the garage. And the same goes with trucks and so on that also want to bring something to the system. And this level can be used for public transit, making city more accessible for its people. Well, that's about it. That's the illustration of the multi-layered Chicago architecture implemented in Fallout 4. And that's about it. Simple and easy. I can't actually count the number of floors used, mods used to implement this area. Oh, and one small gem. If you go up a little bit, just a little bit, there is one more tunnel here, I believe. So this is just a way to get to this floor. But if we go one more layer up, I'll find something interesting. This is it. So this is a service tunnel that goes to this area. So what this area is, it's a place where some water can leave. And this is also where water goes from the road. So you can look up, you can see that this is how water can enter this area and not go to the entire building itself. So the idea is that this would be some place for water collector or something like that. Well, this is a water collector system. And it's relatively easy to see it from the ground floor, from the outside. This is how it looks like. Nothing special, it just works. So that's about it, Chicago.